What's up, guys? I'm Johnny Kenworthy and welcome back to another video. And today, guys, I'll be unboxing the Lakeland Lancers home ice hockey jersey. This jersey came in 2019 and has been a Passaic County hockey staple ever since. The Lancers are one of the most prestigious high school hockey teams in New Jersey with 6 county championships and 2 state championships. Now, right off the bat, I noticed how good the quality of the jersey is. The stitching on the numbers make the jersey look and feel extremely authentic. This jersey is super versatile, as you can wear it while playing puck outside on the pond, or even on days where you don't really feel like doing much of anything. The material is not only super well quality, but it is also super comfortable to wear. The way the black and red and white work together to make the jersey's colors pop is excellent as well. Not to mention the logo in the middle of the jersey is sick. The knight with the white lettering across the chest that says Lakeland looks so nice, you guys. For the 88 on the back of the jersey looks so nice as well. If you're looking for a new jersey to buy, I would definitely suggest the black Lakeland jersey. That'll wrap it up for the video, you guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to get updated on the best hockey equipment and jerseys available on the market. Thank you.